let's look at digitizing them, because implementing a digital manufacturing system can make it much easier to digitize a traveler, because those systems will automatically update and store traveler data in real time. And then by doing this, you can use the system's capabilities for better visibility and analytics on your production processes. Manufacturing travelers are vital for maintaining quality and control in the production process. And by documenting each step and ensuring traceability, manufacturers can reduce errors, improve efficiency, and meet their regulatory requirements. And now you can do this on paper, but by integrating a digital manufacturing system, it can take things to the next level because it gives real-time updates, better visibility, and can streamline your production operations. As manufacturing continues to evolve, adopting digital solutions for travelers will be key to staying competitive and maintaining those high standards of quality.